this video, we are going to review how to use the out-of-the-box reagent validation feature. In Clarity LIMS, reagent refers to the different kits that can be used in a library prep. The out-of-the-box feature ensures that you are using a kit that is active and not expired. First, you want to define a kit. You will do this by clicking Configuration, then Consumables, and by default, Reagents is the first option. To add a new kit, click the green New Reagent Kit button. This will refresh the page and you will have to enter a kit name. The supplier, catalog number, and website are all optional. Then click Save. To associate the new kit with a step, you have two options. Option 1 is to scroll down and select the protocol, and the step, and then click Save. The second option would be to go back to the lab work find the protocol, click on the step, and scroll all the way down. Find the reagent kits and click the blue plus. Then select from the predefined list. These steps will just enable that the kit is on the step. However, you need to make sure you have an active lot. If you open up a step that you have enabled a kit and it does not have an active lot, you will see an error message. When we go into record details, here is the new kit that we just added. To add a new lot, you have to go back to Configuration, click on Consumables, then you can filter by reagent name, and then click New Lot. You need to add a lot name, a lot number, and an expiration date. You also want to make sure that you toggle the switch from pending to active. Then click Save. If we go back to the step and refresh, we should now see the lot that we just added in the dropdown. When a lot expires, the system will automatically move it from active to archive, so it will no longer appear in the dropdown. If you had the kit in front of you, you could also scan directly into this field. Utilizing this feature will help with troubleshooting if needed, since you can search upon different lot numbers.